Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q5 with MMI system. This is MIB2 system, exactly it's MHS2 version. So we are going to enter the hidden green menu over here. Before you can go to the hidden green menu, you will have to enable it first with diagnostic interface like VCDS, VCP, OBDelven, or whatever is capable of making those changes in the adaptation channel of the 5F unit. There are details in the description below this video, so you can better understand what you need to do, and the procedure is pretty much the same for all the MIB units, so it doesn't matter if you have Volkswagen Golf or Skoda Octavia or Seat Leon. If you have a MIB based infotainment system, the procedure is pretty much the same. After you enable the developer mode, you need to reboot the unit, and in this car you do it by pushing those two switches forward and at the same time pressing the control wheel. I've made a separate video about this, so you can check it out to better understand how the procedure works. And right now, to enter the hidden green menu, we need to push those two switches and hold them in this position for about 5 seconds. And we need to start with the left one, with the nav map switch. So I will do it like this. And right now we need to wait about 5 seconds for the hidden menu to appear on the display. And here it is. You can release the buttons and use the control wheel to navigate through the menu. So let's go in over here, and of course be very careful about what you are going to change over here. If you are not sure of something, please don't do it. It's very easy to break the unit by just browsing the menu and pressing random buttons over here. So don't do it, please. If you don't know what you are doing, please don't experiment over here, or otherwise you can lock your unit, you can break your main unit in your vehicle. Okay, so I've showed you how to enter it, and to exit it, it's very easy. You can just press the menu button and you will be back to your normal operation screen, like so. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.